Hello. Um, do you ever wonder if your child is really developing well? So, this is UMUTONI Ruth. I'm a pediatric occupational therapist. We're going to talk about the signs or red flags that shows your child is having developmental delay and this child is 6 months. So, if your child is 6 months, please come closer, have a cup of tea and sit and follow. The first sign is that the child cannot control the neck or the head movements. The child cannot move the head, both sides. When you lift the child, you find the child is the child heads is falling backward or forward. So in few words, the child's neck muscles are not strong enough to hold themselves. So if you're a parent, you have to always put your child on the floor mat. Try to engage a child in play activities while the child is on the floor mat, doing a tummy time to help these muscles of the neck. So if your child cannot really control the head, that means it's a red flag or it's a sign of a developmental delay for a child who has 6 months. Another point is that the child of 6 months must be reaching some objects, some toys, must be interested in holding the toys and trying to put them in the mouth. So if a child is not really playing with the toys around, touching the toys around, grasping them and release them, moving them both hands, so that means a child is delaying in the skills of fine motor or in the skills of using the hand. So as a parent, please initiate the play skills, initiate with different toys, with these different objects at home. Make your child try to grasp. If your child is really not doing that, so that means it's another sign of a child who has 6 months. So it's a sign that you need to visit a healthcare professional or engage more of play skills of your child. So another third point is that your child does not respond to people when they call him or her. So let's say a baby of 6 months, usually when you call them, they turn their head to you. If you say hello, they try to smile at you. They show you that they can hear you. So if a child is having 6 months and cannot really respond to the name, when called, not laughing, when you try to be closer to them, they're not giving you eye contact, they're not showing that they can hear you, that's a concern. As a parent, you need to just see the professionals, healthcare professionals or pediatricians, to see if there is no any other issue causing that. A child might be having hearing issues. So you need to visit the hospital or the provider that is working with you for further assessment if your child cannot respond to the noise, to the car noise, to the airplane noise, any kind of noise. So that means your child is having a developmental delay and needs you to follow up for that. So another fourth sign that a 6 months old baby is having developmental delay is when they cannot make any sound. Any sound. You find a child is 6 months baby and cannot say baba, they cannot do bubbling, vocalizing. You find a child has no any kind of a sound. So that's also another issue because development of speech starts with that. A child can talk, some talk from 12 months and above. That's when they can say some 2 words or sentences or different words. But if a child is still young, needs to be having some words, some sounds like bubbling, as I said. So if a child is 6 months, cannot make any sound, cannot do bubbling, so that's another sign that might say the child is having developmental delay. So what you can do as a parent, please initiate your child in play and then talk to them. Always talk to your child. So that can also help you. So another very big and which cause healthcare professionals interventions is this sign number 5, which says that your child of 6 months is always stiff. Stiff, that means cannot move the limbs properly, or when they move the limbs, you feel the resistance. You find like a child is in one position, flexed or extended. You find the legs, it's hard to bend the legs. So when a child is having this stiffness, it's a huge sign. Also, sometimes you may find the child is floppy. That means is very weak. The limbs are very weak. When you lift a child, you can see that a child is very weak, cannot move the arms, or they move but with laziness. So that's also a big call to a parent that you need to find professionals to work on that, because there is underlying cause of a child being floppy or very stiff. And as a parent, the early detection, the early assessment, the early interventions, they are very helpful. So that's a very big sign that every parent should know. So the last one, of a child who having developmental delay, who is 6 months, is when a child is now losing the skills a child had. So it's called regression, developmental regression. This is when a child now is losing the skills he had. Maybe the child was already sitting, now the child cannot sit out of nowhere. Maybe the child was talking some words, papa, or babbling. Now the child cannot say anything. The child is just there. So you find that all those skills, even the neck control, a child might be having a control of the neck, but suddenly you find a child is no longer having those skills. So that's a huge sign that as a parent, you need to visit a doctor, and then they do assessment of the cause of that, because it happens to some parents, it happens to kids. So, but if the early detection and early interventions are done, the child can then develop well, can then grow well. So there are different professionals you can seek for help. If your child is having most of these signs, first of all, you have to go to the hospital. You meet a pediatrician, you might meet an occupational therapist, you might meet a physical therapist. They will refer you more to other disciplines that are going to help your child grow properly and well. Thank you so much. Those were the 6 signs of a 6-month-old baby developmental delay. I know you've been following these last 2 episodes, and I know you've learned a lot from it. The next episode is going to be talking about the 5 parenting mistakes that can delay your child's development. So stay tuned, hit the like button and subscribe. Please write in the comment section what you've learned, any questions. We'll be together here. Thank you so much. Bye.